Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bouet, and welcome back to Directive R&D. In today's lab, we're going to be talking about communities, how we built ours, and what did we see from that, if there's any correlation with sales and revenue. So you might be wondering if you should be trying to build a community for your own business, and this one's for you. So I'm going to share my screen to share some of our own experiences when building a community. We built ours about a year ago called Society, a community for SaaS marketers where they can join for free. It's a Slack community where they can interact with fellow marketers and like-minded professionals, as well as have contact with our own team. So if they need any advice around SaaS marketing, they could reach out to and connect with our team free of charge. It was a good way for us to connect with people that maybe weren't ready for our services or just wanted to learn more about SaaS marketing. And we thought it would provide value to our potential customers as well as contribute back to the community. So we saw a lot of great success with this. We have over 1,100 members now, and we try to share exclusive content and interact with different members there. And it's really worked out well for us. Qualitatively, we've been hearing good feedback about it. Today, I wanted to share some stats about it to maybe convince you maybe if you want to check out and build your own community if you haven't already. We built out this cool report within Salesforce. It's called Campaign with Influence Opportunities, where you can filter out ops and the different stages that they're in based on what campaign membership they're in. For us, we track Society memberships, and we actually see within the last 12 months, 24 deals related to people signing up for Society. This isn't a first touch report where they came through that channel, that campaign, and then went all the way through, but it's great for us to see the influence and great to see for us to connect the dots between Society membership and deals, which can be difficult when doing a campaign like this where you're trying to add value back to the community. It's good to track those things and ask for qualitative feedback, but it's great to have some of those raw numbers inside Salesforce. So for us, it really worked out. We can kind of see the pipeline and who went through. So wanted to share that stat and finding with you. Highly recommend you check out maybe building a community. And if you're a listener and you're not in Society, maybe check it out as well. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll check you in the next lab.